50 English vocabulary words with American pronunciations. Benefit. Advantage or profit gained from something. Abundant overtime is a benefit of the new job. Benefit. Majority. The greater number. The majority of people support the bill. Majority. Satisfy. To meet expectations, needs, or desires. I have to satisfy state requirements. Satisfy. Peculiar, strange, odd, unusual. That flower has a peculiar fragrance. Peculiar. Joyful, feeling, expressing, or causing great pleasure or happiness. Thanksgiving is a joyful holiday. Joyful. Sanitary, hygienic and clean. The law requires high sanitary standards. Sanitary. Deference, humble submission and respect. That culture shows deference to the elderly. Deference. Potential. Having or showing the capacity to become or develop into something in the future. The student shows great potential. Potential. Sturdy, strong or solidly built. The new deck is very sturdy. Sturdy. Wisdom, the quality of having experience, knowledge, and good judgment. The quality of being wise. The old gentleman has great wisdom. Wisdom. You can improve your English. You can speak better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop, you can speak better English quickly. English is a bridge to open up the world to you. Better English is the key career success with better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop. Click the link in the description to find out more. Better English now. Admire. To regard an object, quality, or person with respect or warm approval. Everyone admires a well-spoken person. Admire. Irrelevant. Not connected or relevant to something. That statement is irrelevant. Irrelevant. Optimum. Most conducive to a favorable outcome. The best. We had optimum conditions for sailing. Optimum. Serene. Calm. Peaceful. Untroubled. Tranquil. The temple had a serene ambience. Serene. Fabulous. Extraordinary, especially extraordinarily large. The Broadway show was fabulous. Fabulous. Weird. Suggesting something supernatural or uncanny, odd or unusual. The old mansion had a weird vibe. Weird. Qualified. Officially recognized as being trained to perform a particular job. Certified. The carpenter was highly qualified. Qualified. Established. Having been in existence for a long time and therefore recognized and generally accepted. My brother has an established business. Established. Pleasant. Giving a sense of happy satisfaction or enjoyment. The climate in Santa Barbara is always pleasant. Pleasant. Boisterous, noisy, energetic, and cheerful. Rowdy. The crowd last night was boisterous. Boisterous. Careless. Not giving sufficient attention or thought to avoiding harm or errors. Don't be a careless driver. Careless. Skill, an ability that has been acquired by training. Flying a plane takes a lot of skill. Skill. Entire, whole, with no part left out. The entire family attended the wedding. Entire. Compel, to force somebody to do something. The town will compel conformity to zoning codes. Compel. Waste, use or expend carelessly, extravagantly, or to no purpose. Squander. Don't waste water. Waste. Persist, continue firmly or obstinate in an opinion or a course of action in spite of difficulty, opposition, or failure. To succeed, you must persist. Persist. Foment, instigate or stir up an undesirable or violent sentiment or course of action. The politician tried to foment unrest. Foment. Overbearing, having or showing arrogant superiority. The boss had an overbearing presence. Overbearing. Identical, similar in every detail, exactly alike. The brothers had identical tastes. Identical. Culinary, of or for cooking. My cousin went to culinary school. Culinary. Nearby, close at hand, not far away. My parents live nearby. Nearby. Demand, an insistent request made as if by right. The customer made an unreasonable demand. Demand. Malcontent, a person who is dissatisfied and rebellious. He's a chronic complainer and malcontent. Malcontent. Vintage, the year or place in which wine, especially wine of high quality, was produced. Of age, I love that vintage Corvette. Vintage. Keen, highly developed. Hawks have keen eyesight. Keen. Specific, clearly defined or identified. We have to follow a specific route. Specific. Fiasco, complete failure or collapse. The bankruptcy caused a complete fiasco. Fiasco. Quirky, characterized by peculiar or unexpected traits. My dad is quirky about his car. Quirky. Routine, a sequence of actions regularly followed, a fixed program. A daily exercise routine is a good idea. Routine. Abstain, restrain oneself from doing or enjoying something. I abstain from drinking alcohol. Abstain. Solitude, state or situation of being alone. Sometimes solitude is very enjoyable. Solitude. Garish, tastelessly showy. The Las Vegas hotel was garish. Garish. Famished, extremely hungry. Let's go to dinner. I'm famished. Famished. Worthwhile, worth the time, money, or effort spent, of value or importance. It was a worthwhile experience. Worthwhile. Fanfare, a gaudy outward display. There was a lot of fanfare at the ceremony. Fanfare. Humble, having or showing a modest or low estimate of one's own importance. The monk was a very humble man. Humble. Reward, a thing given in recognition of one's service, effort, or achievement. Success is the reward for hard work. Reward. Tremendous, very great in amount, scale, or intensity. There was a tremendous explosion. Tremendous. Lackluster, lacking in vitality, force, or conviction, uninspired or uninspiring. He gave a lackluster effort. Lackluster. Furious, extremely angry. My dad was furious with my brother. Furious. Check out Grandpa Grammar's English speaking workshop in the link in the description. Thank you.